Hi, and welcome to this safeMedicate video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to schedule a focused assessment for your learners. All assessment bookings are made from a single place, whether your learners are working with our essential or advanced skill modules. Okay, let's jump straight in and open the Assessment Manager. Hover your mouse over the Assessment Manager menu to open a sub-menu. Select the third option, Focused Assessment Builder. A screen opens that shows any assessment presets that have already been saved. We want to create a new preset, so we start by clicking Build New Preset. Booking a focus assessment is a simple process that unfolds on the screen as you progress through making your choices and setting various options. Start by giving your assessment a title. This is just a name to help you identify it more easily, and this will help differentiate, for example, two assessments that have been scheduled for the same day. Next, choose the assessment type. Note that there are two forms of assessment types to choose from. For this example, we are going to choose complexity. Then, select an area of practice. This option determines the type of medications and complexity level of questions that will appear in the assessment. Now, the available fields to choose from are adult, child, midwifery and neonate, mental health and learning disability. Note that questions based on complexity level for both mental health and learning disability are only available for the Essential Skills module and do not include any complex questions due to the unavailability of appropriate field-specific medications. For this example, I am going to choose adult. Next, choose whether you want all your students to receive the same question set. By default, all users will receive randomized question sets, but turning on this option will set the same questions for all users. If you want to activate the same question set for all students, click the slider option as shown on screen now. And for reference, this option will turn blue once active. Next, we need to choose the modules we want to appear in the assessment. In this example, we'll build a preset based upon the Essential Skills module. Click on the Essential Skills module to reveal the 4 medication domains from which you can build your preset, those being tablets and capsules, liquid medicines, injections and IV infusions. Click on a medication domain to show the number of available questions grouped by complexity level, those being unit dose, multiple unit dose, subunit dose, conversion of SI units, complex dose and variable dose. To see an example of what a question will look like at each complexity level, click the preview icon that is located at the start of each row. This will open up a pop-up window that shows how a typical question at this level will be presented to a student or user. Once you've examined what the question looks like, click the cross button to close the question. Note that the number of questions for each complexity level are listed in the middle column, and you can add questions to your preset at each complexity level by clicking the plus symbol on the right-hand side. For reference, the same format for adding questions to your custom assessment will be the same throughout each of the modules. Note, for reference, if there is a 0 listed under the available questions, this means that there are no medications associated with this particular field at that complexity level. As you add your selected questions, the question totals for each module will start to appear at the bottom of the screen under the Assessment Summary section. Here, you can see an overview of the modules and numbers of questions you've selected for this custom assessment. Once you've selected all questions for your custom assessment, you will have a number of available options: cancel, reset, or save preset. Click Save Preset to save the assessment preset. At this stage, your assessment will be saved, and you will have the option to book this preset for a selected cohort or group, or return to your list of available presets. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. If you have any queries, then please refer to our user guides or please get in contact with a member of the team.